Hey guys, it's me Ashley. It's been a while since I've done a clean with me, so let's get to it. Today we're cleaning my master bathroom. Let's get started. So of course we have to start off by getting everything put away in its place. Down below here I have all of my lotions, medicines, and things like that. So I'm just kind of quickly moving the stuff from that part of the counter into the actual cabinet, as well as what's on the counter. Of course, me and Bay shares the bathroom, so I'm putting away his stuff as well as my stuff to get a good, solid basis of cleaning. Everything that actually goes on the counter after it's clean, I put back in that spot. That's why that junk is like I'm moving junk to one place to another. That stuff will stay on the counter. I just want to move it for the purposes of cleaning this area, and then I put it all back. You can definitely tell who is the messiest in the bathroom, y'all. My side compared to Bay's side, I swear to you, why is it this way? I have way more cabinetry and way more drawers than he does, but my side always end up being the cluttered, rushed side. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm the messy one when it comes to the bathroom. Let's face it, when it comes to the bathroom, the bedroom, and the closet, it's me. It's all me. I do hair and here and everything, and I'm talking about the house's hair. Yeah, moving on to cleaning the mirrors. Actually, this is my favorite part. We purchased this Rain-X glass cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It was like in the Dollar Tree super spot or wherever you call it. And it's not to say that I love it or not. It gets the job done, and I'm gonna definitely use it up until it's completed. However, I'm going back to Windex. So if you know, you know, before you get the actual wet cleaning completed, you have to dust all the particles and hair off the counter. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm literally just kicking it all to the floor because it will get swept or whatever later. So it's apparent that I actually lost the clip of me spraying down the counter because I did, and I used the pine sol. I have pine sol in a spray bottle mixed with half pine sol, half water. You guys will see that in a minute. I don't know what happened to the clip. That's what I did, and now I'm just cleaning everything, making sure there's no smudges, no spots, no nothing, and yeah, just getting it all squeaky clean and beautiful. Y'all see the bottle, right? Like right there in the corner. It made it all the way down the counter. I'm not entirely sure what happened to the clip. That's just odd to me. But anyways, after everything is all clean and done, I am wiping down our products and things that belong on the countertops before I add it back to the counter. So yeah, everything gets wiped down so it can be shiny and beautiful before it gets put back in its place. Here comes all that clutter again. Y'all will just have to forgive me. Now that, I'm working mom and all that good stuff now, I'm really pulling for functionalities these days. I need my stuff to be very accessible because I'm on the go, baby. I'm on the go. All right, so the same rule is for the bathtub. I do have to remove everything before I can actually utilize products in this space. So again, I'm just going to use that same area of counter space to put all my stuff as a holding area until I'm ready to clean it up with products. You get it, right? Duh, it's not that hard. Stop tripping. You got this. You know what I'm doing. So I'm using a plethora of cleaning sprays. I first used that pine sol water mix, and then I went in there with the kaboom. I don't know if you're supposed to mix these, but I do it anyway, and I'm gonna continue to do it until it runs out. I really like kaboom, but I like kaboom in the foam, and I don't have any more. They bought this one, so I'm just gonna use it until I can't no more. And I'm gonna scrub, scrub, scrub this dirt ring away. Y'all, this is embarrassing. I can't believe I am showing y'all the dirt ring in my tub. Okay, well, we're doing it now. Let's get it clean. So I am a woman that loves the smell of palm olive. So yeah, after I scrub with chemicals, I do go over it with the silicone brush. It's a dish brush, but I hated it for that purpose, so I'm using it in my tub now with some soapy palm olive to get, I don't know, I just feel some type of way about having harsh chemicals sitting in my tub. So when I go for a bath, I don't want to feel like there's still chemical in the water. So I go over with dish soap, palm olive to be exact, because I love it. And since I'm talking through this, I'm just going to point out that I am using some pretty hot water to do this part. And then I use a cup. This is the cup that stays in my bathroom. I switched over to a smaller cup. But yeah, just to knock anything that was remaining on the sides of the tub down. So that's what that was about, if you couldn't tell, but I'm sure you could. And just like earlier, we're just gonna put everything back, give it a good little wipe down. This thing here been going through a lot. I love her. It's from Amazon, like everything else in this world. But yeah, so we're just gonna put everything back. I don't know what else to say about this part because I'm missing a clip again. I put the flowers down and it just stops. I'm assuming my camera must have died or something. That's real ratchet. So this next part is kind of just me straightening up my shower area. We do have a walk-in shower back here. I clean my shower when I take a shower, so unless I would be one of these girls that, put on swimsuits in order to do shower shots, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm just gonna, straighten up all of the chaos in here. I did go ahead and remove that eucalyptus. I'm just kind of tired of it and I just want to see something new in here. So I'm thinking if I don't just leave it bare because functionality, remember, I'm going to put a viney plant up at the top. I think that might be pretty falling down and I'm going to have to get rid of some bottles. I'm not repotting these, y'all. I won't do it. And this is how everything looks for now. It's just functional, like I said. And I washed my wig earlier and it was sitting right there to dry. This area is really for towels. What an unflattering angle, y'all. It is no good way to put my camera in here, so I'm gonna talk real fast. In here, I use some Clorox liquid gel because that's my favorite, and some pine sauce. Spray her down. I get all of the toilet, and then I'm gonna fast forward again. I have a small space saver to freshen up the spot, as well as some Febreze, and I'm gonna just leave this area alone. It got clean, y'all. Note, it got clean. What goes on the floor must get swept up. So I'm just quickly sweeping up all of the stuff. They came in to have a little chit chat. So yeah, that's happening in the midst of the sweeping. And I'm also texting my friends at the same time. Y'all, it was a whole multitasking situation going on right here. But they got done. Look at me. I did that. I forgot to tidy this area before sweeping. So yeah. I use this area. This is the area I utilize to host all of my things. I'm just wiping it up, getting it all clean. Y'all saw it was dark outside, right? Okay, because I didn't have the energy to pull my mop out, so I pulled out that good old trusty Swiffer wet jet to get the job done. Yeah, it's a patch job. It's a patch job, I'm not gonna lie, but it gets the gist. It gets it put together. Of course, we now must put everything back in its place. That's what we're doing next. Notice how I'm not putting my foot on the carpet. I just cannot stand when I put the carpet down and I get those footprints on my carpet. So yeah, I'm trying my hardest not to step on those. So we made it back to those small spaces and that Febreze thing I was telling you guys about. This here's a game changer and I've been able to start getting them on coupon.